gonna arrange the flowers candle table arrangement. It's time coming soon for the Christmas. So this is Gypsophilia. So if you would like to follow all of that flowers what I have today, fine. If you can't find in the market, you can get another thing out. This is chrysanthemums. That is roses. This is really beautiful. They come in the 2 shades of the roses. And this is carnation. Beautiful 2-tone as well. It's a bit lilac, purpley or Dutch pink in there. And Cymbidium orchid as well on here. Okay. And Thistle. Beautiful. Big, massive one. Right, what you have to have on this, you have to have an oasis sponge. It's got some tray, whatever tray you have in your house, or you want to get like vase or square tray, anything, you know, that's really, don't have to go get a new one. If you got a really big plate in the house, you can do that as well. The trick of the oasis, okay, when you put the oasis in the water, don't dip them like or control them to paste or anything to give them drink water. Don't do that. That is not a good idea. It's the best way what you do. Just give them in the water and then give them suck the water by themselves. That is much nicer. Okay. So right, I just leave this one to get the water to, you know, go through oasis, and then let me creative on this. And today we can do all this is without greenery and anything like that. Okay, so right, let's do it. First thing, you have to put a candle. If you have like candle, big chunk candle and thing, don't have the stand on it, that's fine. But just only this one, I quite like the idea. They have a, like a rustic idea, and this is just beautiful on that. That's what you can see. Okay, and then first of all, okay, I would like to cut roses on it. It's a very beautiful one. Okay, so try to not cut anything short. Check the size on it, okay, and you know, not come too high, and then, you know, just stick them on, you know, and then get another stem. Okay, maybe I gotta turn it over for your guy to see. Okay, it's okay. So, and maybe I do another stem over roses. Why not? Yeah, and turns over. I have to do it turn because it's something for your guy can see, you know, on it. It's slightly on now. Remember, you have to cut triangle on that, okay, and go on first. And that is a 2-tone carnation. It's maybe, you know, less. Why not? Yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, so cut some of the stem. Look, and that Cymbidium orchid is so beautiful, really elegant flowers, very beautiful and really nice on that. Okay, that's a do. And then another stem of orchid, why not, you know, and just stick on it, you know, don't have to worry anything on it at all. For what, oh, they're gonna be, is it something nice? But remember, when you put something wrong or not right place on oasis, try to stick in different place, not the same hole what you dig on that, because then otherwise they're not gonna hold the flowers. Okay, see, everything is what I cut it. I cut a triangle. Okay, I'm not cut it straight. Then flowers can, you know, drink the water perfect on that. You can see, yeah. Okay. So, and another stem. So today I just do creative is something without greenery. Okay, it is something, it's greenery, it's quite expensive. So when you stick on that, hold the stem a little bit in the bottom of the flower's head and then stick them firmly, okay, on that. You can see, yeah. Just keep this stand as the middle, and then right, should we do the last of the roses? Okay, so Yeah. So what next? We do another stem of carnation. Okay. So to get them is a bit more, and then get them is a bit longer, and get them a little bit out from the box. You know. Sometimes you can do the small box, but it's a small box, you can make them look big as well. So, you know, you don't have to do like exactly like that on the inside of the shape. There. See? You can see? And that's about beautiful, beautiful carnation. So, a little bit touch with chrysanthemum. You can see they come in a lot of the spray. What is the trick is, you just cut them like that, okay? So cut them spray out, not have to cut whole chunk on that, because it's, you know, one stem you can make a lot of the creative in the flower arrangement, you know. So there, you can see. Right, I'm going to turn it over but you can see, okay? So that is the stem of, like I said, it's one stem, they have a lot of spray in here. Okay, and then you can just cut it, okay, and that the ones, okay. So here, this is just only one stem. It's one stem of a chrysanthemum, and then you know you can see they come a lot. Look, it's one stem of chrysanthemums. You can have like many space where you can put. So it's amazing, isn't it? So when you cut that, and then you know, oh, this is such a beautiful. It's I just make this. It's a little bit like, you know, rustic and gardening and all of that. And this is my beautiful favorite thistle. This is a massive chunk. It's a massive head on it. And also I like to do today is a little bit like you know, like a group of flowers, and a little bit nice. And if you see there is a bit low of the flowers, pick them a little bit out, why not? But make sure you stick them deep enough to drink water from the oasis sponge. When you stick the flower in there, not last for long and they'll be dead. Okay, that's what the trick is. Okay, so we not only teach you to do creative flowers, we you know, I come and teach you how to look after the flowers, how to, you know, make everything is correct. Look, it's very easy. See? And if you're gonna buy Thistle in the shop, probably in this size, you have to pay for £2. Chrysanthemum is £1. Gypsophilia that is a core type of million star. It's a small head but very strong. And this gypsophilia behind me, that is a 3 week now. See, you can see it's still beautiful. And this is a cost of £1 in the shop. It's carnation, it's £1. So, but a Cymbidium orchid, probably you pay it's more. Maybe some shops sell £10, some shops sell £8, depends. Okay, and this is a lot of the head on here. You can cut and, you know, can do all that thing. So right, let's come back to here. Okay, you can see. Yeah, I don't want to bend a lot, because if I bend a lot, what happening is that the candle will be fold out. Okay, so right, what we're gonna do here, you can see on here. And this is the flower a little bit low, and you want to put inside, put the head a little bit gently, and then you just stick and the flowers in here. Look, beautiful. Yep, nice, easy, not difficult. So just see and fill the gap, and make sure the stem of the flowers they go deep enough. Okay, it's deep enough on that. Okay, because otherwise do not drink the water. Right, another stem of the carnation. Look at this. This is such a beautiful. How beautiful is it? Yeah. And make sure when you stick in that you can feel, because that's what I say. It's a, you know, hold firm on the stem, and then you can you know, feel it for how touch oasis or not. Okay, let's turn it another way around now. Right, and then when you want to put the flowers in, and if they have a gap on that, you just go like, see? This is probably it takes you about 20 minutes. All done. Look at this. You can see how beautiful. See? Yeah, you can put even more flowers on here, you know. If you see and you just, oh yeah, they're not much enough now, so I want to put more flower. Why not? You know, all of this is, you know, they're beautiful. Look, see? And then you don't have to have a gap and all that. And then when you move the flowers, then you move gently and then just pick them in the right way. Look. And today I'm not doing the real candle, but I do a called LED candle, okay? And just use a person. Hope it works, right? See? And beautiful. Really beautiful on it. Here. And that is really romantic. See? Wow. You're not going to believe it, in you? Take not long at all. Less than half an hour. Can see? How beautiful is it? Yeah? Turn another side over. Yeah. Really beautiful, elegant is all it is. It's a really nice, and you can create it by your hand. Not difficult. Look.